Una bella tecnica.
Ma alla fine devi molleggiare tutto il tempo.
Io so che sono al mare, mi dà fastidio stare qua.
Vai, vai.
Punta, sembra la punta.
Ale Bugo! Devo mettere più lontano a farlo.
So it comes wrapped in this cardboard. This is extremely new. It almost spent 0 days in the warehouses because it's the first batch that has arrived in Europe. And so yeah, now we inflate it and then we try it on this beautiful lake. So, how is this board? This board is flexy. To describe it with one word, it's flexy. It flexes more than my shark. It's not really very stiff, but by the way, right now it was like on the third step. I put it on, I think, the 5th. Let's try it now. But like the shark doesn't have this stiffening system and is way stiffer. And also like the water in the starboard gets opened here, and it does it produces quite a dirty wave. It ripples quite a lot. It's not like the best wave possible. The shark with the carbon nose cone, it opens the water perfectly in the front. So the shark, I think it's faster. But faster I cannot say really, but for sure it's stiffer. Faster I have to finish to try it, but I think it's faster. So, but this is like aesthetically, this is much better. And I really love the EVA pads. Yeah, they improve the stability quite a lot.